Okay, so we're going to make bird feeders today. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some peanut butter and you're going to spread it on your tube. You see how I have my hand in my tube so I can hold it? Then you're going to spread peanut butter on it. And when we're done, we're going to sprinkle bird seed. And then we'll hang these up in a tree so the birdies can eat them, okay? So, do you think you can do that?
Yep.
Okay, put it on your hand like that. I will hold it on my hand for you.
Okay.
Everyone can get a little closer so you guys can reach the peanut butter. Here, you're ready. Okay. Yep. Oh, hold on. Your arms were off. There we go. We're giving the birds a treat.
Giving Mommy some peanut butter to lick off her hand.
I'm getting a little messy, but that's okay. Good job. Spread it all out, all over it. And you have to do the other side too. You're going to have to turn your hand over it. Abigail, try not to get peanut butter all over your dress, okay? How about you put it down here on the, like that. There you go.
Good job, you're right.
Isn't the peanut butter just
Spreading it around.
sweetness and taste? I'm trying to do my best.
You are doing a good job. Spread it all around. Spread it out. Uriah, you're doing good. You can get more when you need it.
Little pieces of paper towel left on it for extra taste.
It's fine.
I need them on the back.
You need some on the back? Okay. Ah. My hand is getting messy. I'm going to have to wash. How's it going, Abigail?
I can't even lick it off.
Well, I guess I could lick it off, but I'll have to wash them too. Not just lick. Shouldn't we wash our hands? Do you have anywhere else you're going to put peanut butter? I'm going to put more on there. Are you all done?
Can I lick this off?
Sure.
Good.
Okay, good. Okay, so now you're going to pick up seeds and you're going to sprinkle it on the peanut butter. Ooh, I'll hold it over this so if it falls, it goes in there. Oh, careful. Yep, that's okay. The birds will eat it. So pick it up and sprinkle it on top like that. There you go. Sprinkle some on this side. Hold on, Uriah. One at a time, okay? Ooh,
Uriah.
Good job. Wait just a second. Let him finish, okay? Once Josiah's finished, you can do yours. Oh, the birdie's going to find a treat in the driveway. There we go. Any more spots?
Wait.
Okay. So, no, don't lick your hand. You don't want to lick off. Good job, Uriah. Let's see if you can do this side. Can you do some on this side?
Can I go
Good
wash
job.
my hands?
Okay, so now we got to figure out
Can I
places.
go wash my hands?
Wait just a second. Now we have to figure out places we can put these, okay? We can hang them up in a tree.
I know.
Or we could somehow prop them up like this one is so that little animals could come get it. Where do you want to put yours, Josiah?
In the front.
In the front? On
Yeah.
a tree or down on the ground?
In that tree.
In a tree? Okay.
Yeah, I want mine in a tree too.
You want yours in a tree too?
I want mine in a tree in the front yard.
Okay, spread it out a little more, Abigail. You're doing good, but spread it a little thinner.
Can I go wash my hands?
Samuel, you can come do yours. Abigail, no more peanut butter because he's going to use the rest. Yes, you can go wash your hands. Uriah. Thank you. You can use either of those. Here. Oh, Samuel, run over there and help him open the door. Uriah, come with me. You guys stay here. Daddy and I are going to take Uriah to hang his up. Here, Uriah, you going to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right there. Okay, you hold it. I'm going to get the baby so we can go for our walk. You're going to sit in the stroller because you can walk. I was just getting the stroller for the
He's like,
baby.
no, I have delicate cargo. Needs to be.
Turn that out this way.
Sorry, my walker's not.
Between peanut butter and birdseed, I got stuff on. What tree are we putting it in? Or bush? Over here?
Yeah.
You show me where we're going to stick it. Which tree? You get up and you can go run to the tree you're going to put it in.
Yeah.
You want to put it in one of those trees? Daddy can help you.
He's going the other end of the world here. That one? Okay, I'm coming. Yep. Okay. Let's get one that's pointed up. Ready? Can I take this and put it up on here? Is that okay?
Yeah.
The birdies can get to it there?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
What do you think, dude?
Oh, now you gotta get back in. Or are you gonna walk back?
You walking or riding?
Here, you wanna come
Hey
see
there,
if
little baby
Josiah's ready to
virgin.
hang his up? Let's go see if we can find Josiah. Go get him.
I'm riding.
No, he needs to.
Oh, there's Regan again.
Okay, oh, Josiah's coming. We need your bird. Go get your bird tube. I need to get this peanut butter off my hand. It was mixed with bird seed though, so I don't really want to lick it. I don't know where he wants to put it. I'm just gonna put this here.
I think he was thinking up front there.
Do you want to put it up on the front tree? Yeah. Okay, come on.
Come on.
Abigail, what tree do you want to put it on? Because we could also put it down near Grandma's house if you wanted. You want to put it up here too?
Hello.
Pickle. What'd you get?
I didn't want to drop bird seed in the grass.
Good idea. Hey, Abigail, yours looks good. I didn't see it when you got it too. Okay, Abigail, I'm going to try and find a branch that'll stick on easy, okay? One of you. Yeah. Well, you can go on that branch that Daddy has right over there.
Over here. Over here.
Go over there.
Where?
Is that
Hey,
one?
Abigail, how about...
I don't know if you can reach it. Hold on. We're going to put it up
Right
here.
here.
Is that okay?
Yeah. You, oh, come
The
around
birdies
the
can
other
get at
side.
it?
There, she's
You
gonna
can
put
stay
her-
and peck
this
on
one's
it?
kind of dead, but I think it'll work.
Kinda dead.
There we go.
Dead or dirt.
Okay,
Nope,
oh,
they're gonna
I
find
think
it.
Abigail needs to go wash her hands.
Yeah. Mine
Did you get dirty?
places into the between my
Did you get dirty?
Oh. He had already washed.
Did you get dirty?
Okay, hold on. Samuel
Uriah.
wants to go.
Did you get dirty? You got peanut butter on your mouth. Supposed to be for the birdies. What's he doing?
Samuel wants to go show us where he wants to put his.
Alright. Little adventure.
I'm going to the driveway. He's going to push like, from the driveway. This push is really easy, except in our front yard. Like, it even works on, like, dirt. The front yard's not the greatest for strollers. And when we have Bruticus in here.
We have two doors.
Two strollers.
We have one, two.
We do. We have a stroller that the baby can't ride in very well. Because it doesn't give him enough support. So we got this awesome one from Mr. C. Right? You like your new stroller?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Once we can get out and go places, we'll be able to use them more often.
Where can I go to get there?
The more scary way.
The more
Sure.
scary way. Sure. I'll follow him on the scary way.
Yeah, I'm not taking the stroller down there. Oh, he already has the place picked out.
Right there.
Right there. You think that's a good place to hide? Well, if we put it there, you think the birds will hide there and eat?
Probably.
Yep, I think they will.
It's pretty protected.
Mm-hmm. Alright, how do I get back up on this hill? No, I'm gonna go up this way.
Is that fine? Josiah. Virginia, will you walk with Josiah? Can you take the bird seed and fill our bird feeder? I just want someone with him. Josiah's not feeling well today, but less seizures today than yesterday so far, so that's good.
Yep.
So, and he felt it coming on, which is a step in the right direction, because if he knows he's going to have one and he's able to get himself into a safe place before it happens, it's better than falling. So,
Definitely.
this morning he realized he was having one and he grabbed onto something. I'm trying to tell him he needs to sit, not just grab onto something, just sit down, but we're working on it.
You all cleaned off?
As clean as she gets.
So who's gonna lick off the driveway?
I think the birdies will come get it, or Chippy,
Or Chippy, yeah.
our chipmunk. We have a chipmunk that comes across the driveway here. Runs across the driveway here, runs behind the van, and sometimes sneaks into the garage. He snuck into the garage.
We
the
had
other day.
named one monk and one chippy.
Yep.
So he will probably enjoy all of that. Abigail, you
Or
can
maybe
take
Daddy's
those
new
inside.
friend. Daddy's new friend from the other
The
night.
raccoon.
I went out the other night and there was a raccoon standing in the garage, checking out our trash cans.
That's okay. That can stay there. So.
You're right. Was that a fun project?
Yeah.
You gonna watch for the birdies to see if they find them?
We actually got that idea for that project from our math book, because Master Books tries to incorporate a lot of different things into math. So every week they have a story that explains a reason why you would need to know that math. You're following the lives of two kids, and so we started in the first book. I think there might even be some in the kindergarten book, but we didn't do that one. And so you follow their lives and they do different things, and one of them they were learning about birds, and so they made bird feeders. So that was where we got this idea. So
And they just filled the bird feeders?
A fun idea. So there's filled the bird feeders, and we like to see our feathered friends.
So now we have 6.
So now we're gonna go on a walk.
Okay.
So we'll see you later. Bye.